Tomorrow was supposed to be a election day, and it was verification and scrutiny of all the, or rather, it was a withdrawal day for this. And today, when we came in the morning, I realized that there is a lot of bitterness and there is a lot of allegations, and tomorrow it is going to be a havoc. So I decided it is not in the interest of cricket, whatever is going to happen. Then I convinced Dr. Shekhar Salkar, he being my team manager, team head. आणि दोतोरान सांगलें I want he will resign in the interest of cricket. आनीक जे पेपरांनी बदनामी जाता ती थांबपाक जाय. We do not have any hidden agenda. We wanted a very clean and cricket. आनीक जेन्ना हांव चेतना कडेन उलयला, he has also offered the same thing. And in meantime, most of our members, I convinced them, and they have withdrawn their nomination and supported Chetan as a president. Yeah. आता 6 तारीख म्हळ्यार कोणाच्यान कांय इलेक्शनसून रिजल्ट डिक्लेअर जावपाक जायना. अशें कांय डिक्लेअर करपाकच मेळना कोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरीन आसा. एक पोस्ट प्रेसिडेंटाचे आशिल्लो आनी थी नॉमिनेशन एकच आसा. 13 पोस्ट एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटीचे आशिल्ले, थी 13च फॉर्म आयिल्ले आसात. So it is very clear that Chetan is become a president. Unofficially, I can declare it today. But officially, we got to wait for the court decision.
Today, there was a mediation by our Subhash Faldesai, and he asked me that in the larger interest of the cricket, our group should withdraw and allow Mr. Chetan Desai to take over as a new president, as and when it will be declared by the court, because only he is left as a president. Then there are 13 members who are left as members, and 1 life member. So totally exactly as what is required for a new committee to come over, that is required. But only thing, officially we cannot declare the result as per the Supreme Court order. So that the committee will give the report to the High Court on Monday, following which we may move to the High Court that now that it is all compromise has taken over. And then we withdraw all the cases which are pending in the court. We withdraw all the police cases which are filed by different groups in different police stations. And GCA may start with a fresh committee with all like-minded people coming together.